Everyone thinks the best-selling magnetic windshield phone mount is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Mirror Case Magnetic Mount. First up is the Mirror Case for MagSafe Car Mount, priced at $21.99. What initially caught my attention was its impressive 3,600 GF strong magnet and the hefty 89-pound suction base. If you want a mount that promises to keep your phone firmly in place on even the bumpiest of roads, this is worth a serious look. Here's why it matters for you specifically. The Mirror Case boasts vacuum lock technology, ensuring your phone won't budge during sharp turns or sudden stops. With 20 and 55 magnets, it can hold heavy phones like the iPhone 17 Pro Max without a hitch. Plus, it's designed to survive extreme heat up to 200 degrees F, which is crucial if you live in hotter climates. Now, some reviewers did mention that the installation instructions could be clearer, which can be a bit frustrating if you're not tech-savvy. But here's the thing, once you get it set up, it's designed to last. This is perfect for you if you drive in varying conditions and need a reliable mount. Skip this one if you have a very minimal dashboard space, as it needs a flat surface to adhere properly. For $21.99, it really packs value for what you get. Now, if the Mirror Case's installation process gave you pause, this next one might actually be even better for straightforward setup. Product number 2, LISEN Magnetic Holder. Next, we have the LISEN for MagSafe Car Mount, available for $16.93. This caught my eye with its promise of super stability thanks to its 6-layer suction cup. If you're looking for something that's super easy to install and hold strong, you should pay attention here. Its unique feature is the nano-adhesive layer that provides 100% stronger suction than typical mounts. This means you can attach it to virtually any surface, whether it's a smooth dashboard or a windshield. It supports up to 89 pounds, so you can bet it'll keep your device secure through whatever bumps your drive throws at you. With a solid 4.3-star rating and thousands sold, it's a trusted option. However, I did see some users mention that it can lose grip after several uses if not cleaned properly. But honestly, that's easily remedied by rinsing it and letting it dry. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable mount at a budget-friendly price. Skip this if you're looking for a mount with a more premium design. For the price, it's a solid buy. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want versatility. Product number 3, CoolPal Magnetic Mount. Now let's talk about the CoolPal for MagSafe Car Mount, which is priced at an affordable $14.99. What caught my attention is its versatility, as it can be mounted on the windshield, dashboard, or even air vents. If you value options in placement, this one's worth considering. What's impressive is its dual mounting capability, which allows you to use it in different ways depending on your needs. The strong magnetic hold ensures that your phone stays in place, even during sharp turns. Plus, it features a 270 degrees telescopic arm and 360 degrees rotation, so you can adjust it to your ideal angle. With a solid 4.6-star rating from over 4,400 reviews, its clear users are finding it reliable. A few users mentioned that the suction might not hold as well in extreme heat, which can be a concern. But here's the thing, if you take care of the surface and clean it regularly, it should hold up fine. This is perfect for you if you like to switch up your mounting style frequently. Skip this if you prefer a fixed position due to less frequent adjustments. At $14.99, you get a lot of features for the price. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more style and design, let's check out the next one. Product number 4, APP Estacar Magnetic Mount. Next is the APP Estacar Magnetic Phone Mount, priced at $16.99. This one caught my eye with its unique design featuring simulated stitching and premium leather texture that adds a bit of flair to your car's interior. If aesthetics matter to you, this one's definitely worth a look. It's equipped with 6 high-grade magnets that deliver a secure grip even on rough roads. It extends from 4.6 to 6.29 inches, providing flexibility for optimal viewing angles. Users appreciate its industrial-strength suction cup, which sticks firmly to most surfaces. With a 4.5-star rating and thousands of satisfied customers, it's a popular choice. However, a few users pointed out that it needs a metal plate for proper use, which can be an inconvenience. But honestly, once you get past that step, it locks your phone in securely. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish mount that doesn't sacrifice functionality. Skip this if you dislike extra installation steps. For $16.99, you get both style and reliability. Now, if you're looking for something even more compact and straightforward, let's jump into the last product. Product number 5, APP Estacar Compact Holder. Finally, we have the APP Estacar Compact Magnetic Car Phone Holder Mount, available for just $13.99. This one is all about simplicity with its powerful magnets and easy snap-on design. If you want something that's quick to use and won't take up much space, this could be your best bet. It boasts a strong N45 magnet setup that holds your device securely, and with its 360-degree swivel system, you can adjust it with ease for the best viewing angle. The suction cup is designed to keep it firmly in place, ensuring safety while driving. It has a solid 4.6-star rating and has been well received by users. That said, some users have mentioned that it doesn't work with MagSafe directly without an additional metal plate, which can be a hassle. But honestly, if you don't mind that minor setup, it's a great option. This is perfect for you if you want a compact and efficient solution. Skip this if you rely heavily on wireless charging. At $13.99, it's a bargain for its performance. So there you have it. The Mira case offers supreme grip, the LISEN shines in stability, Coolpal brings versatility, APP Estacar adds style, and the compact APP Estacar is perfect for efficiency. No matter your needs, there's a magnetic mount here that fits. Happy driving, and I hope you find the perfect fit for your vehicle.